Yeah, there you go. That's a little bit of that mimicry they know. And you know what? They can actually introduce themselves. Are you Molly? Good job. What's your name? Gabriella. There we go. We have two different kinds of parrots that call cats to them. You're so cute. That was adorable. All right, so yeah, that is just one of the songs they know. Molly takes the lead on Old MacDonald. Actually, can you sing in Spanish? How fun is that? Nice job. Yeah, that was great. You're doing a really good job out here. Okay, so I actually know one more song. Are you up for one more song? Yeah? Okay. What do you think? Do you want to sing? I feel like living together their whole lives, they're just super supportive of each other. It's so cute. Okay, so yeah, a lot of times what we like to do is kind of put the microphone here, see what they want to do, anything they want to offer up, but we can ask them certain cues or... That's a perfect example of that, right? That's awesome. Good job again. So it's fun to see when they decide they want to throw up, but we can ask them for different cues too, right? Like if I cross my body. Oh, I love you too, that wasn't it. We get that, which I think is super cute. Okay, you girls have been doing phenomenal, especially with all these macaws flying everywhere. We should probably go though. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye, alligator.
See you later, alligator. That's Molly and Gabby.